Excited.
4, 2, deduction. Ready? Move pa natin. Yung pass, ha? Yung block din, kick pass din. Slide back! Slide back! 50, siya tama.
Hi, Adrian.
Ready? And... Sit down! 4. Oh, tayo! You don't have to do like this, oh. You put down or slide back. Okay? You walk. We're not peeking. Huh? Score one more. Deduction. Kasi you're not peeking eh. Already here. 1-0. Ready? You have to win. Otherwise, you'll take push-ups again later. Huh? You have to win this one, no? Second round.
Start.
Ready? And... Not yet. And...
Hello?
Jump! 4. Score! 4! Ano? Stop!
Automatic. Mabilis pareho.
4. 3-3. Sumisipa niya sa'yo, ha? Dapat sumisipa ka kagad sa kanya. Here. Sabi ko, pag sumisipa, ano gagawin mo? Slide back. Tuloy-tuloy yung sipa niya eh. Pag tuloy-tuloy yung sipa niya, gano'n ba? Sige, clean. Clean. Saan may makakounter? Diba? Score naman yung sunod-sunod, oh. Ready, score all 3. You have to win this fight. Ready? And use the floor kasi for defense, ha? You have to move backwards, right? It's okay lang. Use the floor for defense. Ready? And don't look at me. Look at your sparring mate. Sit up! To see the head. 4. Oh, 4. Very good. 4. 4. Stop. Ready? Second. Winner. Okay. Ready? Sino mag-score lang ng 2, ha? Ready? Again 5 times. Make your pants yan. Make your pants. No na. Oh, here. Very good for using your double, ha? Very good. Make 5 times. Make 5 times. Ready? Block. Slide back. Kasi pagpatanggal niya ng ano niya eh. Kasi ano yung momentum niya eh, di ba? Yung momentum niya sumisipa siya ng sumisipa. Papapak side back. Kasi makakakita ka sa kanya ng open. While on your part, after the double, if she blocks and slide back, don't stop. You have to follow her, okay? Very good. Ready? You have to score 2 points, ha? For winning na, the second round. Sabi din. Ready? Go for the head. For 3-2. That's back. Ready? Sit down. Score. Continue. Score. Hello. Stop. Winner. Go for the 5 push-ups. Zoom. 5 push-ups. Now. Okay. Sorry,